Jorge. I have another way of explaining insulin resistance that hopefully will be easy for you to understand, that you can share with others. Because remember, insulin resistance is genetic. It means that you got this gene where your insulin doesn't work properly to absorb food. You got it from your parents, right? It's coming down the generational line. So we have good genes and we have some not so good genes, right? Like insulin resistance. But do you happen to have your car keys with you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, perfect, right? So as you know, we have two vehicles, right? The body, well, you drove here, right? And you walk inside. So those are the two vehicles. Okay, so let's see your keys. All right, so when you leave here today, what you're going to do, how are you going to get home?
I need to open the door on my car and drive back home.
Exactly. So in order for you to physically get from the outside of your car, inside the car, behind the wheel to drive it, you have to use a key, correct? Yeah. Okay. Suppose you put the key in there and the door doesn't open. What happens?
I cannot go back home.
You're stuck outside?
I am stuck outside,
Exactly, exactly. So being stuck outside is not a good thing.
No.
What would you have to do? Maybe call the Uber.
Break the glass.
Break the glass, exactly. Exactly. Many, many things. But the bottom line is that it would cause a problem.
Yes.
Well, I love this analogy because this is the same. This key represents insulin. Insulin is the key that you turn in the cell to get the food to come in. So just like you turn the key in the car door for the door to open to go in the car, it's the same way insulin works. So if your key not working, then you're stuck outside. And that is exactly, and being stuck is what causes fat. Because, for example, you're outside and you're stuck outside and you cannot get home, you don't have to call the Uber. The Uber that come to get you is a fat cell. You're just standing outside. Somebody said, can I help you? Can I help you? Can I give you a ride home? That's a fat cell, right? So what we have to do is work on the key. Insulin resistance means your key does not work to unlock the cell so food can come inside. So you have to know what the problem is to have the solution. So once we know now that your key doesn't work, what does Dr. Green do? Your key cannot open the left door. The key cannot open the right door. So we're going to go through the sunroof because we have to get the food inside your body to nourish it and give it energy. So that's why our approach is different. We don't even count calories on our program. We don't have all these reservations or how many times you have to eat and how many little times you eat. It's about what you eat. And we're going to make sure that the food gets inside of the cell, just like you're going to get in your car to drive home when we're all done.
Amazing explanation. Awesome. Thank you. More clear than that is impossible. This is the best analogy I have heard about the fat, about understanding how important it is to have a good insulin in control so you cannot get blocked outside, and you can get your body healthier.